Did you hear about this story?
New MacBook Pro tidbits. I love tidbits.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of Timbits
Little
and
bites
tidbits.
of knowledge. Yeah. Timbits.
Timbits and tidbits.
Sure.
And a
They're both
Timbit,
great.
a Timbit is kind of like a donut tidbit. It's a tidbit about a donut because the donut's the whole story.
Right.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense.
They're both delicious.
SD card speeds limited to 250 megabytes per second. Peak brightness for SDR content. eGPU still not supported and more. Oh, the news is trickling in here. Go ahead, Will.
I was just reading a couple of these facts here that I didn't really know. The Face ID. You would think that they would have it on the new MacBook, but they don't.
What's going on with that?
Right? Weren't we all expecting that?
A lot of people said these things to me. They said, "What do you got the notch? You don't have the Face ID." Hey, man, I'm not sure. Obviously, it's not perfect. They don't want to put it in. Like the Pro Display XDR, the new MacBook Pro displays a peak brightness of 500 nits for standard SDR content. The new MacBook Pros advertise 1600 nits of peak full screen brightness is for HDR content only. Okay, that's not much of a surprise. There's going to be a high power mode to maximize performance for intensive sustained workloads. So you're going to take a hit on your battery. That mode is not available on other models. So it's only going to be a max model situation. SD card reader, 250 megabytes per second with the latest UHS 2 SD cards and up to 90 megabytes per second with UHS 1 SD cards. Okay.
No external GPUs.
No external GPU. They have, as far as the Pro models and the Max model, they got lots of GPUs, so it's not such a big deal. You got big GPU, you got unified memory, same trackpad as the previous generation, and Apple is said to have invested in dedicated ProRes hardware in silicon to enable quality performance. So that's kind of like that afterburner stuff, specific ProRes related hardware for guys like you, Will.
Yes, exactly.
All right, cool.